Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CFMS. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Very rough move today. I don't mean to state the obvious or rub salt in the wounds or anything, but just from the technical perspective, a lot of things have gone on, which is prompting the video review here. I've done this analysis many times before, but it's been a while. But yeah, a lot of big events occurred. The first event that occurred from the technical perspective is the price is now down below that pink line there, which on my chart denotes the very famous 200-day simple moving average. Even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200-day moving average, and you know that, assuming you're long, of course, that when the price is up above it, you definitely want to see the price stay above it, because that is, one of those overarching, long-term trend indicators. So the price actually gapped below it, and then after that, just continued on down. So not only from a technical perspective did it simply just get below that pink line, it's not like it even hovered around that area. I mean, it just kept bleeding to the downside, which now puts the price at areas that haven't been seen for literally months upon months, and that's what prompts the next key update here, which is, well, where is this next level of support to keep an eye on? And that's basically this previous breakout point right here at $1.40. And let's just establish this real quick that this was a former resistance level where you can see the price struggled to get above it. But when the price did actually break above it right there, that's what spurred on a pretty big movement. And I go through all that because there's a foundational rule in charting that when levels of resistance are broken, so again, we just established that level was indeed a level of resistance, you want to see them act as support. And so far, so good. Technically speaking, sure, the price didn't hit that green line exactly, but it definitely got within the range of it. And that is a level that, from a long perspective, from a bullish perspective, you want to see the price hold, because if it doesn't, then the next level of support, not until down there around the $1.05 mark. While there is no such thing as a guarantee, it would not be shocking at all to see the price drift down to the $1.05 mark, if that $1.40-ish mark cannot hold up. But so far, so good. The price is still up above it. And then turning things around as far as levels of resistance are concerned, it's all about that pink line there. We started off the video, and I'll end. And that, again, based on a very basic rule in charting, when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And going in today, that was a level of support. But because the price is now below it, that is going to be an area of resistance. And that's going to be up there right around the $1.90 mark. But right now, at least in my opinion, top priority has nothing to do with breaking levels of resistance. It's all about trying to stabilize now and find some sort of bottom to this nasty move. So we'll see if this $1.40 mark can be a bottom or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.